Hello everybody, and hope you're having a great day. For this video, I'm going to show you how to make a contact form. So let's go to the left and select Content, and then Contact Forms. Now let's go to the top right hand corner of the screen, select the green New button. And there are only two required fields in the contact form, the first being the form name, I'm going to call it Video Contact Form, and Store. So if you have multiple stores, otherwise known as a multi-store, you can choose the store the contact form is associated with. Now if you'd like to use the same contact form for all of your stores, then just select All. Next is the Send To field, and this is the email address that your form will send to. Next is the subject line, and this is the subject line of the email sent by the contact form. Below that is the Custom URL field. Now if you'd like to use a URL address besides the default URL, you can do that here by starting with a / and then calling it whatever you'd like, and then ending with either .aspx or .htm or .php, etc. You also have the option to add HTML to your header and or your footer. And the success HTML is what your customers will see after filling out the contact form. And lastly, we have the confirmation email settings. So if you select Send Confirmation Email, you can choose from a list of email confirmations that your customers will receive after filling out and submitting the contact form. Now once everything looks good, let's go to the top right hand corner of the screen and select the green Save button. And we'll have fields available to us. So if I want my customer to have to enter in their email address, I'm going to click on the little plus right here next to email address. And you can give it a label like enter email here. Now let's say I also want a text box that our customers have to type in. Select the plus, enter details here. And if you'd like, you can also left click and drag the fields to reposition them. Now let's go to the top right hand corner again, select save. Now that our contact form is done, we have to put it somewhere. So let's go to the bottom left, click on Themes, and click the blue Edit button. Now on the left, below Pages, select Content Page Base. And below Content Page Base, select Widgets. Now let's click the Add Widget button. You can choose the one for bottom or top. And then find Contact Form. And then click the blue Add button. Once we've added our widget, click the Edit button. And select our contact form from the drop-down. So ours is Video Contact Form. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom to the Enable Merge Code section and copy the merge code, $signs and all. And be sure to check the box right below it. And then save. Now let's go to the far left and select Content and then Pages. Let's make a new page by going to the top right hand corner and clicking the green New button. And I'm going to name this page Contact. Now for the page content, this is where you can put any HTML or additional text. But to actually have the contact form that we created earlier, let's put in the merge code we just copied. Now I'm going to save. And if we click the magnifying glass underneath Actions for the contact page we just made, we can preview our contact form. And here are the two forms that we created earlier. Now if you would like to link this contact form somewhere else, you can just copy the URL address, or we can put it on our store using a menu, which I'm going to show you how to do right now. So let's go to the left and select Content, and then Menus and Navigation. And I'm going to edit the main menu by clicking the Edit button. Let's click Add a new link. Display text, I'm going to call it Contact Form. And for type, I'm going to select Content Page. And now for the Select Page dropdown, choose Contact. Top right, save. And if we go to our store and refresh, we have the contact form that we just created.